Hey, what are you going to make?
A beer.
Beer. Beer start with alphabet.
Beer, a butterfly.
Beer and butterfly. Okay. B is for beer. First you have to make capital B, uppercase B. Okay. Okay, Manahil.
He beat him.
Feet. No, these are the ears.
Yes.
Ears. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Right here. And what's the next step? You. Now you're making the googly eyes. Yes.
I did drop it.
Manu, which of the cartoon have the beer in his hand?
And Anu? What's that?
They have the small beer in his hand.
Small beer.
Which one? Mr. Bean, you watch? They have the beer?
Yes.
Yes.
Very basic.
Yeah.
Here.
Make the eyes this way. Good. You're making the eyes?
It's almost crying.
Why?
Oh, I missed. Oh, beer.
Beer. Paste it. Yeah. You paste it? Good. What's the next step? Yeah. Where's the next step? Now Manai is going to make the nose. Yes, nose.
Here?
Yeah, good job.
Not it.
What you're going to make?
Yes.
Hands.
Handsome.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, do it, Manu. What you're going to make now? Is a lowercase b. Now make the wings first. Yeah, first make the wings this way.
Butterfly, ba ba, butterfly, ba ba ba, ba ba ba, ba 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 ba.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What experiment you are going to do?
Butterfly again.
Balancing butterfly. Can you name the things?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start.
This is a pink pencil.
Pencil,
This is our scissor.
scissor.
A cutter.
We cut the tape with the scissor and
Clay.
clay. And you can use anything that is available in your house. We have a clay, so we use it. You can use a dough or a flour or anything that is available. And what are the things? You make a butterfly, paper butterfly of your own choice. Okay. And what are the things?
Coin.
Coins. How many coins you need? Show me. Yes.
1, 2.
Two. And what are the things?
Tape.
Tape. Let me start our experiment. Yes. Okay. You fix this pencil here in the clay first.
This way.
Yeah.
This way.
Okay. And now you try to put this butterfly here on the top of this pencil. Oh, it's dropped. Oh, think what we do so it is balanced. What we do? We give some weight to this butterfly.
Yes.
Yes. How we give a weight to the butterfly?
Take a tape.
Tape and you need coins.
Eat one thing.
Okay.
This way.
Manahil, you done? You give a weight to the butterfly?
Yes.
Show me how. This way. Okay. Now you put this butterfly. You give a weight to this butterfly. See what happened. You shift the gravity here on the head. Mara, you see, you shift the gravity here in the head of this butterfly and so it's not drop. What is the gravity?
This.
Gravity is the force that pull the things with each other. Mara, what is the gravity? What is the gravity? Jump? Yes, and you come down. Okay, what thing forced you to come down?
Gravity.
Gravity. gravity. So gravity has a very important role in your life, right? Okay. Nahil, what are you going to make?
No bubbles.
Bubbles. Bubbles start with B. Bubble. What things you need for it?
Water.
Water?
This baby oil.
No. Dishwash?
Dishwash.
Okay. Spoon for mixing. And if you have any bubble gun, you take your bubble gun. If you have a straw, and you can make the bubbles with the straw. So first you add this water in the dishwash.
This.
Yeah.
Too much.
All. Add all. Yes. And now you mix it with the spoon.
This way.
Yeah, your bubbles are just ready. So easy to make in a house.
Yes. And
Yeah.
you will buy it.
You don't need to buy it, right? You can make by your own, right?
See, I buy yucky one.
That was yucky. You make in your house, okay?
Mix.
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 Let's we try now.
Yeah.
Let's try now.
Yeah.
Yes.
I know.
Show me.
I saw a cap.
It's okay. You tried. You lost the cap.
And we held it.
Yeah.
No,
Can you make bubble here in front of camera? They're not visible here. Make it. Yay! Wow! Big bubbles. It's too much fun to make bubble in a house. Hope you enjoy it. Wow! Hope you enjoy it. Enjoying.
You like my bubbles? Okay, subscribe for my videos. Click the red button. Subscribe for my channel.